Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you, class?
We are fine, thanks, and how are you, teacher?
I'm also good. So today, grade 4, we're going to learn about even and odd numbers. So today's lesson outcomes will be based on you'll be able to define what are even and odd numbers, identify whether a number is even or odd, and then apply this knowledge to small numbers sets.
Okay, so let's start. Firstly, I'm gonna make an example that will excite you guys. Do you guys like sweets?
Yes.
Okay, so let's say I have 6 sweets and I share them among 2 friends equally. Will there be any sweet that is left? No. So that means that is an even number. So an even number is a number that you share among 2 or more places and there'll be nothing left. Ne? Can we move on?
Yes.
Okay, so another category is the odd number. So if this time I have 7 sweets instead of 6, then I share them among 2 friends. Will there be any sweet that is left?
Yes.
How many will be left?
1.
So it means that is an odd number. So an odd number, there's always something left when you share equally among 2 or more people.
Okay guys, so today we're going to be learning about the rule of odd numbers and even numbers. So the numbers ending in 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. They make pairs. So imagine someone walking in this class and they walk with 2 pairs of shoes. That makes it an even number. Then we also have numbers ending in 1, 3, 5 and 7. So those numbers are odd numbers. So basically, when you see someone walking in with 1 shoe, that makes it odd.
Yes.
For example, we have 24, that's an even number because it can be shared in pairs. Then we have 39, which is odd, which leaves something behind.
Class, let's attempt an activity together. Can you please write down these numbers into your book? The numbers are 7, 12, 25, 46, and 99. Please write them down. Are you done, class?
Yes.
Well done. Now next to those numbers on the right hand side, please write down whether you think they are even or odd. And when you are done, please raise your left hand. Are we all done?
Yes.
Well done, class.
Okay, class, since we are done writing the activity, let us do the corrections. So, what do you think 7 is? Is it an even number or an odd number? Yes?
Odd.
That's correct. What do you think about 12? Is it an even or an odd number?
Even.
It is an even number.
Correct. And then what about 25? Is it an even or an odd number?
Odd number.
That's correct. And then 46, is it an even or an odd number?
Ma'am, it's an even number.
Correct. Lastly, 99, is it an even or an odd number?
Odd.
That's it.
What a productive lesson, guys. So I'm gonna test if you know what we've been doing. So even number can be shared equally into what? Yes.
Into pairs.
Yes. Can someone please tell me what is an even number? Yes.
Ma'am, it's a number that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 9.
9. Can someone correct him, please? What is an even number?
Ma'am, I think it's a number that ends with 2, 4, 6, 8, or 8.
Okay, that's correct. And then what is an odd number?
An odd.
So it's okay.
Okay.
Next, please.
Guys,
Do it. Don't be.
okay, an even number it is.
Odd number.
Hey. So
Ma'am,
let's
can I
start.
help?
Okay, please help me.
Ma'am, an odd number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9.
Okay, that's correct.
Yeah.
So guys, just remember the quick trick. The trick is to check the last digits. And thank you for a productive lesson. Well done. Even you tried, my sister. So well done. And keep it that way. Thank you. This is the
Thank
end
you,
of our
teacher.
lesson.
Thank you, teacher.
The lesson planning process was highly effective. The preparation phase was thorough and very well structured. The planning phase allowed us to align our goals and objectives of the lesson. We believe that we have achieved those goals and objectives. What really worked for our group was the use of visual aids. We used a PowerPoint presentation to help engage the learners. This helps with reinforcing learning with colors and illustrations and also helps with memory. What worked in our favor in regards to the PowerPoint was that there was clear visuals and not too many illustrations that would distract the learners. We also used real-life examples, which helps the learners understand and relate to the content more. Instead of using numbers, we used the idea of adding and subtracting sweets. We managed to provide the necessary information to the learners in an appropriate tone while maintaining eye contact. Adding a recap segment to the end of the lesson was one of our key strengths to the lesson, as it provided reinforcement of the content that was provided in the lesson. It is a form of repetition which helps learners understand the work better and also helps us identify any learners who are battling so we can help them. We could have improved with a better use of technology. In the next lesson, we will incorporate e-learning tools to let learners engage and relate more to the lesson. They relate more. The more they relate, the more receptive they are to the knowledge. Like playing online quiz games helps motivate and engage the learners more. Grade 4s tend to have a short attention span, and we think that we could use more interactive games where they can get into groups to help foster that bridge. We could potentially have made a note section where we allow for the learners to ask questions, because it helps promote active learning and helps rectify any misunderstandings and provides more clarifications. Overall, it was a good and interactive lesson, and there will always be room for us to grow and for improvement. The teaching profession is all about lifelong learning. The use of practical examples and visual aids engage the learners and help support different learning styles.